Hello guys and welcome to my new YouTube channel. So in this channel I'll be teaching you scripting and coding in different types of things like HTML, Python, and even in Roblox. So today we'll be learning HTML tags, we'll be learning words. When you go into websites, the first thing you see is of course words, sentences, and all these things. As you see, for example here, there's words everywhere, and that's probably the main thing you have to put inside a website. So I'll be teaching you how to do this, and the way you're gonna do this is inside Trinket. So all you have to do is I'll link this in the description, or you can simply just type trinket.io. It'll be much easier. You go scroll down and go to create your free account. You can use Google or you could use email. Anything's fine, and it's free, so you don't have to worry about paying anything. So once you sign up, I'll guide you through what you should do, and we'll go straight into the lesson. Okay, so once you signed in, you come to the home page and it will read to my recent trinkets. Of course, this I haven't done anything with this so far, so let's lead you into this. So first you must click this button, and then we have all these different types of softwares we can use to code. But of course, I'm teaching HTML right now, so we go into HTML. And then this is the place where we do our coding. Okay, before I even teach the word types and all these word tags, so this is the most important thing you must write first. So right here, write this, then you write doc type, doc type HTML, and you close it like that. This is important when you're making websites. Sometimes you can be able to slide away with it, but if you're making a website, this has to be inside your code. And then you enter HTML because we're making HTML. Enter body. Wait, hold on. And always include this thing here, right here. When it comes to HTML, this is the starting of every single tag. So body. So HTML represents the code. Body represents the whole. How do I say this? Represents the website itself. So yeah, there we go. And this is where the first part, and this is where the word starts. Okay, so after you did all of this, you can pause the video here and go into Trinket and you can do this. So right after this is the word part. So if I run my code, nothing happens, of course, because we haven't inserted the actual code. This is just the beginning of every single thing you will do with HTML. So this is where you must write H1. This is the main, I would say, like when you're starting, let's just say, for example, let's take an email. You always have a big and like bold text before this is just a normal text. So if right here H1, and let's just write learning HTML. As you can see, this is Trinket does auto run. So whatever you do, it already appears here. As you can see, look, it comes in bold and it's big. That is a good thing. And the second code also we have H2. So I'll just copy the same thing that we just did this now. Ctrl C, Ctrl V. And if I run it, look, this happens. So this goes down all the way. Just for example, let me just copy the whole thing here. Down here, Ctrl V. Let's just change this to 3. Let me go. Okay, there we go. 3. It just continues going and going all the way until down hit 6. So just for the record, I'll just write it. There we go. Right there. Paste again. 5. 5. Hit 6. I don't know if hit 6 works actually. Learning. Okay. Oh yeah, until hit 6. So hit 7 does not work. So if you type anything, nothing will run. And yeah, you see, it just goes back to the normal regular paragraph word. So hit 7 does not exist because it's not in bold. So this is all the bold tags that you can learn when you're starting, or in case like there's a special information or like a special word you're writing inside a paragraph, you can always put that to like highlight the word. Or you can also use driven tags like strong, which I'll be teaching in my next episode. So you think, oh, bold tags, I just want to do like a normal tag, like example words like this, and this is all this only, I want to learn this. So what you can do is you enter here and P stands for paragraph, as we were speaking about paragraph just now. So let's just say learning 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 HTML is fun. Oh, bro, I spelled that so wrong. Learning HTML is fun. And see, this is the normal font, so whatever you type, it will be a normal paragraph font. So this is what you want. This is amazing. So this, and I think you also can adjust styles, which I will teach later. So these are all the basic words you can write. So you got H1, you got H2, you got H3, and you can write like essays. Like, take a look at Wikipedia. It's almost the same thing like this. So these are all the basic word tags. Of course, this will be this will be today's uh this will be today's episode. So I really hope you enjoyed it. Leave a like, share, and also subscribe if you're new to the channel. And I'll also be uploading how to customize your word tags later in the day, or maybe tomorrow. So thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.